Hey guys, we have here our 2019 Toyota Corolla sedan, and in this video we want to explain to you how to replace the reverse light bulb on this vehicle. And this method should work for all model years from 2014 to 19. Now the bulb for the reverse light is located in the lid of the trunk, and it's kind of hidden behind this little plastic cover that you see here on the side. And in order to remove this, we're going to put one finger into the back side of this cover, and then with two fingers we're going to squeeze the cover a little bit together, and then we should be able to relatively easily pull this off. Then next we should already see here this little piece of harness and the socket for the light bulb. Simply rotate the socket by about 1/8 of a turn counterclockwise and we can pull it out. So now here we already have the bulb that we want to replace, and in order to remove it, simply pull it straight up from the socket. The replacement bulb that you want to get is of type 921, and in order to install it we simply push it right back into the socket. And now we can already start to reassemble everything. Make sure to rotate the socket here clockwise by about 1/8 of a turn until it clicks into position and it's nice and firmly in there and can't fall out. And then the last step is to put the plastic cover back into position. Also here make sure that it clicks into position and is sitting nice and tight. And then we are already done. Yeah, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.